friends, I'm your astrologer Surbhi and you're watching me at AstroSage TV. This is your monthly horoscope for June in 2014. Without wasting a minute more, let's begin with our predictions. These predictions are based on your moon sign, and if you don't know what moon sign is or what your moon sign is, go to www.astrosage.com and find moon sign calculator in the calculator section there at the menu bar. Let's begin with the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. Aries, you may not be able to feel contented in the beginning. There is quite a possibility that you may feel trouble due to some financial crisis or may stay stressed of some familial issues. So, before taking any financial or familial decision, think deeply. On the other hand, next half of the month will be taking away all your troubles. You may get benefited out of some journeys in this time. Financial situation will also get better and you may feel healthier. As a remedy to tough times, donate almonds at a holy place. Now let's talk about our next zodiac sign, Taurus. First half of the month is coming with some unexpected results. Sun is in your first house, so you will be full of confidence during this time. You will gain respect and may have to go on some short journeys. If you keep these trips well planned, they will get you good results. However, you need to take good care of yourself as well as your loved ones. These health-related issues may continue to the second half of the month, so stay very cautious. You need to deal quite safely with financial as well as familial matters too. As a remedy to tough times, renovate your ancestral house. Let's now talk about our next zodiac sign, Gemini. Geminis, Sun will be in 12th house at the beginning of the month. Therefore, it won't be a good idea to disturb any action taken by government or being in trouble with a person sitting as higher authority. Behave modestly and intelligently with everyone. Additionally, I would suggest you to stay cautious while doing almost everything. Avoid unimportant expenditures. Many of your troubles will settle down in the second half of the month. Your respect in society will also increase. You may have to go on a profitable journey. However, it is very important to take good care of your health this time. If you want to stay at bay from any difficulty, visit a holy place very regularly. Let's now see what Cancer has got in stock. Cancerians, first half of the month is quite favorable because Sun is in your 11th house. Hence, beneficial chances will get stronger. Income will also increase. You will also get benefit out of journeys. Looks like all your important tasks will be accomplished in this time. Your loved ones will stay prepared to stand by you at any time. Time will be quite nice for love matters. However, second half of the month will be full of expenditures. You will have to take good care of your health during this time. Along with that, you will have to avoid unimportant trips. As a remedy to difficult situation, I would advise you to avoid alcohol as well as non-vegetarian food. Now let's talk about our next zodiac sign, Leo. Lions, the lord of your sign, that is Sun, is showering you with immense bliss this month. Hence, almost the entire month will be holding positivity for you. In the first half of the month, you will do great at work. Be them senior citizens or VIPs, everyone will be favoring you. In this time, some beneficial work-related travels are also possible. Time is also beneficial for financial matters. On the other hand, second half of the month will be keeping all the situations strong. Also, there are chances that you may get some profitable deals. Time will also be quite positive for conjugal life. You will get wealth as well as bliss from the journeys. As a remedy to difficult times, donate blue colored clothes to a needy person. Let's now see how Virgo will do this month. Virgonians, starting of the month will be coming with mixed results for you. Lord of the 12th house Sun will be in your 9th house. Hence, you may have to keep your bag packed for many trips. Time is quite positive to go abroad or on a religious journey. It will be important to take good care of the health of your parents. Time will also stay beneficial for financial matters too. Second half of the month will be quite amazing for work. Journeys will be successful. You will also get rid of financial troubles. This time, your respect in society will also increase. As a remedy to difficult situations, donate rice. Let's talk about our next zodiac sign, Libra. Libras, this month you will have to stay cautious with almost everything. Sun is in your 8th house, which is unable to give you positive results. Hence, you may have to face some troubles suddenly. Drive very carefully and take good care of your health. Keep yourself at bay from the immoral activities. Avoid any doubtful deal. Take any decision after thinking about it deeply. However, in the second half of the month, your troubles will wane to quite a good extent. You will get success in many things. Financial situation will also get better and you may go on some religious journeys. As a remedy to tough times, offer biscuits to your colleagues. Let's now talk about Scorpio. Scorpions, you will have to put some extra efforts to get good results. Additionally, you have to be cautious in almost everything. If you are going to take any work-related decision, then don't hassle at all. During this time, you may also stay stressed due to your personal or familial issues. Even the second half of the month doesn't hold much positivity for you. Hence, even in this time, you will have to work in quite a planned way. You may stay mentally stressed during this time, so take good care of yourself while leading a disciplined life. As a remedy to difficult situations, it would be great to have something sweet before initiating anything, and don't forget to have water after that. Let's now see how Sagittarius will do this month. Sagittarians, beginning of the month is holding favors for you. In this time, you will try to finish everything with utmost dedication. If you are stressed due to some reason, take a deep breath because things are gradually settling down. You will be successful in defeating your opponents. Success is seen everywhere. Situations at work will also improve. Stars are conspiring to get you a promotion. Respect in society will also increase. However, in the second half of the month, you will have to be quite cautious. Along with work and business, take good care of your health as well as familiar life. As a remedy to tough times, sprinkle the holy water of river Ganges in home. Let's now see how Capricorns will do. Capricornians, almost the entire month will be positive for you. During this time, you will welcome your life with great enthusiasm. You may also go on a journey suddenly. However, this time is not that beneficial for the love matters. If you are trying something for children or education, you need to get up. Trust me, there are good chances of getting good benefits. Second half of the month is even better than the first one. All your troubles will be wiped off. You will get success. Your respect in society will also increase. Situations at work will also get better. Additionally, there are good chances of promotion too. As a remedy to tough times, light the southern area of your home with a red bulb. Let's now see how Aquarians will do. Aquarians, you won't be able to get many favors this month. You will have to take extra care of your domestic life in the first half of the month. You may have to work harder during this time, which may make you feel a little tired. Also, your work efficiency may get hampered. You may also get excited to do something wrong. You will have to stay very cautious while driving. Situations will get a little better in the second half of the month. You may have to face some hindrances, but everything will be completed. However, there will always be a need to stay cautious. As a remedy to tough times, offer your service to your parents. Let's now talk about Pisces. Pisces, beginning of June is bringing favors to you. You won't get afraid of working hard during this time. As a result, all your tasks will be accomplished. You may go on some short trips. These journeys will be helpful for work. Health will also be positive. Additionally, you will also get good chances of earning good money. While the second half of the month will be getting you some extra work, you will try to run away. Apart from this, you will try to spend most of your time at home chilling out. However, it won't happen this way. If not this, some domestic trouble may also irritate you. Try to stay away from anything that is called bad and drive very carefully. As a remedy to tough times, take blessings of your mother, keeping her happy. So, this was all I had for you in the month of June in 2014. I hope you will utilize the best of these predictions and change your life. If you like these predictions, please like and share with your loved ones. Also, subscribe to our channel to stay tuned. Have a great time ahead. Namaste.